My name is Drew Neerman, and you're watching Data Unleashed, the video blog series dedicated to helping you get more out of your investment in Salesforce. So I mentioned in a previous episode that I look after go-to-market at a company called CapStorm. And there's a Salesforce customer as a top 10 global pharmaceutical organization that I get to interact with on almost a weekly, sometimes daily basis. And we're really proud to get to interact with this customer and share sort of an anonymized version of the story because in a very real way, Salesforce and this customer, the company I work for, CapStorm, are locking arms in the fight to literally cure cancer. I'm really proud of that. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this story. There are three core teams involved in this process. There's the business continuity team, who needs to handle backups and point-in-time recovery operations for the Salesforce orgs. Now check this out. There are over 90 unique production Salesforce instances in this environment, and they've got to protect all of them. The second team is the DevOps team, and so they're responsible for getting anonymized production data out of prod, anonymizing it, and then loading it into sandboxes in a quick, automated fashion so that all of their developers have private development environments filled with rich sets of production data. The last team is the clinical analytics or clinical trial analytics team. And what they do is they actually pull the results from the clinical trial data out of Salesforce, sometimes to an on-prem Postgres database or to a Redshift database in AWS to crunch the data. And this data actually links the results from the trial to a real human. So it's really sensitive data. Now, something that we're really excited about is that all three of these teams are able to fulfill their functions without stomping on one another. The business continuity team can do their backups and disaster recovery without seeing sensitive data they shouldn't see. The DevOps team can push a bunch of data or metadata into sandboxes or deploy up through a development pipeline, eventually into production, without seeing stuff that they shouldn't see. All while the clinical trial team for the CAR-T research is able to analyze the data that they're supposed to see but nobody else can see. So if this story is impactful or you find it interesting, please reach out to us. We're really proud to share it, and you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. It's Drew Neerman, or you can send a note to www.capstorm.com. We'd love to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching today. This is Drew Neerman, and you're watching Data Unleashed. Have a great day.